Beautiful people, creme caramel, that's how it's done. Greetings, beautiful people, welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, what is happening? I've got a super incredible recipe today. We're going to be making a creme caramel, as we say in France, or it's a type of flan. Now, this recipe comes from the amazing Michaela from Ella Vegan. If you don't know her, go and check her out. Already 1.2 million followers on the Instagram, and there's a reason behind that. She's just absolutely incredible. Let's get cooking. Right, 2 stages for this. The flan, or the creamy bit, and the sugar syrup, which will go on top. So for this, we've got 2 cups or 480 ml of plant-based milk, 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of agar powder, got a pinch of salt, and 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract or essence. For the syrup, I've got here 70 grams of sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Let's make the syrup first. Then I'm just going to add in the water. Now we're going to keep stirring till it simmers and becomes a nice golden syrup. Now you're going to keep stirring this for a few minutes till you've got like a syrupy consistency, and then we're just going to pour them. You've got to be very quick with this though. Continue to stir that until every bit of sugar's dissolved.
5 minutes later.
This is the colour and consistency that you want. It's a lovely rich bronze colour. Give it a stir, make sure you've got it all around the ramekin. Now for the flan, or the creme caramel, we're going to add in our plant milk and literally just everything else, all in one. And whisk. This time we do it on a high flame. Once it starts boiling, the moment you can see it's starting to get a tiny bit thick, reduce the heat immediately. Okay, now that's started to ever so slightly thicken to a kind of soup consistency. So I've reduced the flame, and all I want really is just so that I can see a string once I lift the whisk up. That's the thickness I'm after. Keep stirring, don't stop. Simmering this now will activate the agar powder. Right, so that's been simmering for several minutes. Take a look, you can see there's some bubbles there, and when I stir it and lift, you've got a string. See? That's the consistency I'm looking for. Now we're going to pour it into the ramekins. So I've just licked the spoon, and the taste of vanilla and everything, this is gorgeous already as it is. See you in 4 hours. Right, while that's chilling, let me introduce you to Michaela, right? So she doesn't really need an introduction. She's got 1.2 million followers on the Instagram, and there's a bloody good reason for that. Her recipes are divine. I'm gonna put a link to her website there. Check out some of the stuff that she does. Just really, really good. All of her recipes are 100% vegan, and I really think you're gonna love what you see there. Folks, let's get back to the cream. Alrighty, so that's out the fridge now. 4 hours have passed, you can see if I spin it, it will keep spinning on its own. That's a very good sign. Now you may need to give it some persuasion because the air's gonna trap it in. So with a butter knife, can you see how I'm separating it? Try not to be too aggressive with it, but it will allow you to separate it. That's just gonna let some of the air in to release from the bottom. Now for the fingers crossed moment. I'm gonna flip that up and hope the caramel comes out, dripping all over it. Lovely jubbly. Beautiful people, check this out, right? So we've got the creme caramel here. Very, very elegant decoration there. Doesn't require too much, no fluff on the outside, nothing really, because all you've got is the orange peel there that complements the bronze caramel tan of the syrup around it. That's exactly how you make it. Just before I go into the taste test, once again, I've got to take my hat off to Ella Vegan. This is insane. Looks-wise, it's identical to the real thing. Now, all we're looking for is the texture, which is like a kind of vanilla jelly cream, and obviously the caramel around it. What side should we do? Here goes. Perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. As you can see, similar to flan, where it's sometimes called flan as well, but it's creme caramel. Anyway, as you can see, it's jiggly like jelly and it's vanilla-y. Let's give it a taste test. Oh, That's it. That's exactly how it's done. That is it. Oh my days. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin it. That is so good. Guys, Ella, you're amazing. Wow. That is identical to the real thing. That's amazing. Folks, just try this. It's such an easy recipe as well. Wow. I am so happy I did this. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm about to devour all of these. If you did like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, do leave a comment down below. I will love you for it. And do check out Ella. I'm going to put her links in the description, her Instagram, her website. Insane. If all of her recipes are as good as this, wow. Ciao for now. See you on the next one. I'm going to eat.